Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm your host here, FAISON, and I welcome you all into my home once again. Today's video is going to be sharing an update of our garden. So go ahead, grab your coffee or tea or whatever it is you're choosing to drink, sit back, relax, and enjoy the update of our garden. As you guys may recall, hubby and I worked very hard and had a lot of sweat equity into creating this garden. So I'm just going to share it with you guys what we've got going on so far. All right, continue watching. Thanks, guys. A certain way. Here you go.
So I press the square.
You don't have wait right here.
It's growing some pepper.
Yeah.
Those peppers looking big.
Yeah.
They're growing.
Okay guys, as you can see, we have a few yellow squash that are peeking through. All of the blooms looks as though the crop for the yellow squash is going to be plenty. Now these are our cucumber plants, and they seem to be growing tall, but I only see a few little blooms in there, so hopefully we will get something. But they are all growing so tall and looking very, very good. These are a few of our okra plants that we've placed here. And then over you will see these are the Japanese maple trees that we planted out here. And so they are growing and doing very, very well. The height of them, as you may recall, they were very tiny and skinny, but they are looking really, really good. So then we're going to come back over to these first few rows here, and we're going to look at the peppers and my blueberry bushes. They are here also. I'm not sure what the blueberry plants are supposed to look like at this point in time, but I think they are all growing very well. We've got a few of our flower plants that seems to be growing and doing very well. The mums here are blooming. And I just think the garden is looking really good. You know, we have that straw from the pine trees that are right next to the garden, and that patina of the straw is making it look so beautiful. So guys, let me know what you think of my garden. The garden that hubby and I worked so diligently at, and I think that we did a very, very good job. As you can see, these these are the hot peppers. Now, you guys know these hot peppers were a mistake. We thought we were getting the sweet banana peppers, but instead we got the hot. But we do have a few of the hybrid sweet peppers, and they are on this bush here. And I think this one, it's time for, actually this is a hot one. I could smell it, it's hot, but there are a few on the sweet bushes. So yeah, I'm bringing this one in. This is officially our first crop of the season. All right guys, I hope you have enjoyed, or that you will continue to enjoy what I'm sharing with you today, which is an update of our garden. Guys, be blessed, take care, and I pray that you all have an amazing and a safe holiday weekend. Stay safe, and until the next video, I am your host here, FAISON. Now, if you're new to my channel and you like what you've seen and you would like to be a part of, I would love for you to go ahead and hit that red subscribe button. Make sure you tap the notification bell twice so you'll always be notified of any uploads made here. And please, guys, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And for those of you that continue to show love and support, I take this time to say I thank you guys, and I appreciate you all so very much.